While there is no guaranteed cure for insomnia, there are several natural strategies you can try to improve your sleep. Here are some suggestions. Sleep routine. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Sleep environment. Create a sleep-friendly atmosphere in your bedroom. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Use earplugs, eye masks, or white noise machines if necessary. Limit stimulants. Avoid consuming caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol, especially close to bedtime, as they can interfere with your sleep patterns. Electronic devices. Minimize your exposure to electronic devices before bed. The blue light emitted by smartphones, tablets, and computers can disrupt your sleep. Try to avoid using these devices for at least an hour before sleep or use blue light filters. Relaxation techniques. Engage in relaxing activities before bed to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This can include reading a book, taking a warm bath, practicing deep breathing exercises, meditation, or listening to calming music. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity during the day can promote better sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. However, avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it can have an energizing effect. Stress management. Manage stress and anxiety through techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or journaling. These practices can help calm the mind and promote better sleep. Sleep-friendly diet. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime, as they can disrupt sleep. Additionally, consider incorporating sleep-promoting foods into your diet, such as cherries, bananas, almonds, herbal teas, e.g. chamomile or valerian root, and foods rich in magnesium. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI. Consider seeking help from a sleep specialist who can guide you through CBTI techniques. CBTI addresses the underlying causes of insomnia and helps you develop healthy sleep habits. Herbal remedies. Some herbal supplements such as valerian root, chamomile, or lavender have been traditionally used to promote sleep. Consult with a healthcare professional before trying any herbal remedies to ensure they are safe for you.